Mm, mm. Hi. So today we will discuss about how to raise an issue in the Jira. See, suppose the guys who are joining into the company newly, and if they found any issue, right, how to create that issue in the Jira. So we will discuss. It's so simple. We will discuss that. Okay. Suppose this is my application. Okay. Now, see, after entering the URL, so this is our website. So I entered the URL here. Clicked on this URL. And see, I need to click on the login button. So, okay, the URL, it directly contains the login. Okay. Okay. So now, so for this application, my username and password is, so I will create one new file. So this is my URL. So this is my URL. Okay. When I put this URL, okay, I will close this here. Okay. I will reopen one more tab. So I'll put here, this is my URL. See. So this is my URL and it went to the login screen. So actual username or password or email. Email I need to use for this login is dot learnings at gmail.com. Password is test tcaps at 123. So if I use this email here, aho dot learnings at gmail.com. So password is test at 123, right? So I clicked on login. Your account has exited a number of logins. Please try again. Okay. Okay. We'll create one more user. One more. Okay. Okay. Suppose. Okay. Now. Okay. We have this one. Okay. Suppose now I need to click on the. So I will take one more example here. Okay. Suppose I need to click on the registration link. See, I'm clicking in the registration link. So what is expected? It should happen. It should come here. Register for open account form. So when I click on the registration button, so it navigated to this screen. And so here now you can see register for open account cart account, right? So I'm going back. So we are in this screen. When when I click on this button, so it actually navigated to this screen. Okay. Okay. Just imagine, go back. Hmm? I clicked on this button, but I'm not able to navigate to this screen, that register screen. Just imagine. So I have clicked on this button, but still the user is not able to, there is no response. Even the click is happened, but there is no action from this button. So in that case, no, so we have not navigated to registration page. So that is a bug, right? So that is an issue, right? Okay. For that, we will create an issue. Okay. So, so in the company, right, when you are working, so in the team, when you are working, whatever the issue you found, no, so just you should not inform to the developer like emails. Yeah, email is fine. In the chat, no chat boxes like Teams we have. So in the chat boxes, so this is the issue we found, and you should not leave it. So it is the better to write an email is one thing, and also it is better to create one issue. So if the issue is created, that can be tracked. So within the team, within the complete whole project only. So through it will be like Scrum Master will be involved, architect will be involved, and manager will be seeing, so developers will be seeing, testers will be seeing, even scrum master will be seeing. So everyone will see when you create the Jira. So Jira will be having access to all the team members. Okay. So it is better to create a Jira instead of sometimes no when we are sending emails also that is fine, but we will inform to the developers by putting CC if we don't have any management tools for creating issues. Now we have Jira. Every company will follow some management tools like Bugzilla, Jira, and QC for creating issues. If you have that option, you can go with that. So because entire the team loop will see the issues. Okay. Now we will create how to create the issue. Now we'll see. Now we will see how to create an issue. Okay. So now I have entered the URL. I have clicked on this button, but we have not navigated to register screen. So we are still in this screen. When I clicked on this button, there is no action from the button. So how we are going to create an issue? Okay, right? So this is the Jira. So just now I have logged in through a Gmail account. Okay, this is my account. Aho.learnings at Gmail account. This is my account. Okay, I have logged in through this. So and see how to create an issue. We will see. Now click on see. You can see here. Na? Create an issue. Click on create button. You can see the create button. So I think this is the like free source, right? Like open source, right? It's not open source, it's a paid tool, but there will be limited features. Still, we can use the Jira. So we have only limited features. We'll see what and all the limited features we have. Okay. Okay. So when I click on, so we are when we are creating an issue, always need to click on create button. Click on create. See. So what is the project name I give? This is Aho Learnings. Even my project name is Aho Learnings. So see, you issue type, you can see, okay, we can see only task as well as epic, right? Normally, in our company, no, we will have issue type, issue bug. We can create here it as bug. So along with task epic, no, we can see bug here. So now I will go with the task only. Okay, I can create another task. What I can give summary, I'll provide issue for our understanding purpose. Normally in the company, no, you will get one option called bug here. So you can select that bug. Okay. But I am going with the limited features, right? So there are no, like if it is like, I'm logging with the Google with the open source, right? If you have paid version, you will get all the options. So for now, it is considered as it is also one task. Okay. Go to an issue, create it as an issue. Okay. What in this issue, no? Okay, simple. So the summary should be simple. Under description, you need to give a detailed explanation about the issue. Okay, here we will write it as simple. The summary should be very simple and easy to learn, understand by the team. Okay, so here no, when we here this is application. When I try to click on register button, it is not now the register page, right? You can say so. We can give so simple, right? Unable to complete registration process. So for any application, there will be one registration process. Unable to complete registration process in this is fine. Unable to complete registration process. Okay. In the steps, no, you need to mention detailed in the steps. So how can you write the steps? See, I will write here the steps. What is the issue first? Steps. Steps, no, first step, what is enter URL, URL or launch URL. Anything, enter URL or launch URL. So what is the URL? So this is the URL. Okay. Enter the URL, launch the URL or anything. Once enter the URL in the browser, no. Second point, so we will be in the screen. Okay, click on the register button. So after this, click on the register button. Okay, so after the register button, what is the expected result? Expected result. What is the expected result here? So user should navigate to a registration screen or registration page. This is not mobile, right? Screen on the. This is a page, registration page. User should navigate to registration page. See, always expected will be what we are expecting. So now what is actual result? Actual means what is happening actual means what is coming from the application. So when user try to click on this button, so just the application is working. But for example, I'm telling you, I'm clicking on this, but I'm not navigating to registration page. Still, I am in the same screen. Okay. Okay. Now, after clicking on, after clicking on a register button, user still in the same page, same page. No action. User still in the same page. After clicking on the register button, user still in the same page. There is no action happen by clicking on the register button. Oh yeah, first line is fine. First line is fine. No need to give second, but still you can maintain. Okay. So for this, no. So this is not happening like that. No? So we need to add one attachment, like one proof or one evidence. So why it is not working. So you need to add here. Okay. So please refer the screenshot, attach or video, anything attach as evidence. See, normally in when we are doing no, there will be few environments. So developers know there will be developer environment, QA environment will be there. One is pre-prod environment will be there. Production one is live environment will be there. Hmm. So in some environments, no, sometimes what will happen, no, there will be some intermittent issues. So sometimes when we are testing, it is not working. But when somebody is testing, it will work. So, but whenever we are raising an issue, there should be some proof, some screenshot, some video attachment. By seeing this, we are, can say confident that. So when I'm checking this, this is the issue we got in this environment, QA environment. So even confident we can say we because we have proof. So proof is mandatory. Like as a tester, no, you should attach the proof or any evidence for any issue when you are raising, because sometimes, no, due to some network issue or sometimes the app may not work. Again, it may start working. And in that cases, no, developers know it is working. Why you have raised an issue? So we can say that simply we can't raise an issue, right? So we can in that cases, no, sometimes no developers what they will think they will QA team is blaming us or simply they are raising issues. So to avoid those situations, so it is better to add one screenshot or one video attached for as evidence. Okay, and also you can mention environment. It is QA environment. Okay. So the same copy and the same steps, no, copy and paste here. See, these are the steps. Okay, the steps it will be in detail I'm explaining in detail. Okay. So even the developers know, they also try to replicate the issue. But when the steps are clear, no, even developers will go through each and every step. They will try to replicate the issue. They no need to depend on the QA. If the steps are not clear, what they will do? They will come and again they will come and they will sit. They will make a call through Teams, or they will have, if they are sitting next to them. Uh, Means they require QA support to replicate this issue. So if the steps are clear, no, even suppose any new resources are coming, when they want to check the resources, they no need to depend on the other resources. They can go through each step by step. Okay. Now you need to assign. Assigning means, so as a tester you are rising, right? Automatically your name will come, but you need to assign to some other guy. So some other guy, see, assigned to me. When I'm creating, it will be my name. As unassigned, it will be some other name. In the teams, no, you will get it developers names when you search. Huh? Developer one. Huh? My team. So, okay, we don't know anyone, right? Mm, okay. Mobile testing 499 at gmail.com. Invite one person. We'll see some email ID again. Okay. Now we'll get that name here. Okay. So some name. Okay. Automatically it will come this name in the within the team. Okay. Here I'm checking with the limited permissions. So label, you can give one label here. What you can give? So QA bug, right? It is a QA bug. Hmm? QA underscore issue. You create one label. QA issue. Okay. Oh, it created, I think. Okay. So I don't know. I have clicked on enter, right? Automatically it got saved. Okay. We will edit it. We will edit it. One second. Where we can edit. Hmm. Oh, it created automatically. Okay. Okay. Mm. It created. So I have added label. No, I have added label. Where is the label? Mm, okay. We will create one more issue with the same steps. Okay. Create. I will add this steps here. Mm, So, okay. So till here you are clear, right? So automatically, uh, you can assign. See, it came. No, see, haven't waited. No, you can assign. Just imagine he is the developer. Just mobile testing 499. Assign to mobile testing 499, and I'm creating one label. Okay, QA hyphen issue. Okay, this is my label. Okay, I don't know. QA hyphen issue. After clicking on this one, it went last time. Okay, QA issue. See, this is the label I have created now. So whenever you want to find this issue, no, or whenever you want to see this issue through label, when you give this label name, no, you can find out. Means you are filtering. You can filter through label also. So QA issue. So who is reporter? It's I am report. No, whole learnings. My project. I have created this user assigned to developer mobile testing. Okay. And attachment, right? I told you, no, some proof or attachment. Okay. What you do know, you take this screenshot. Take this screenshot. So when you are taking the screenshot, no, so it will be mandatory. So you want to see the URL, you want to see the application, and mandatorily at the bottom, no, you need to see the time and date. Okay. So they will see when you are doing testing, no, That is also very important. Which date, which time. So when you're taking screenshot for reference, no, for adding, so this is the issue, you can highlight it. This is the way you can highlight it. Okay, this is the way. So this is the issue. The click is not happening. Even you can type here, or if the steps are clear, no need to type here. Save this on desktop. Okay, button, click issue. Okay, this screenshot. Okay, button, click issue, dated 22 July 2022, screenshot. So today we have taken the screenshot. It's clear. Everything should be clear. So because everyone will be in the loop, and they will question more. Right? Okay. Now we need to attach the screenshot. So we need to attach the screenshot. Okay. So button, click issue. This is the reference screenshot. This is the proof we are adding. This is an issue on this date. I have taken this screenshot. Okay. After that, see, when you are creating this issue, no, but normally what will happen, no? So before creating this issue, there is a certain process. Okay, why, how we will get the issue after creating the user story, right? User story. When you get the user story, for that user story, when you start analyzing the test scenarios, for the test scenarios, when you start preparing the test cases, after creating the test cases, when you get the build for you, like development, so after developing the app application, they will give the build for QA testing. So once the QA testing will get the build, when you start executing the test cases, no, then you will find this issue. So for that, there will be some parent Jiras or parent user stories. So you can be you can relate to that Jira, parent Jira. You got it right. You can relate to the parent Jira. So we need to, but now we don't have any parent Jira, right? I am showing just how to create the issue. This is the simple way. Create an issue. Click on the create issue. See now what and all we added. See AH2. This is not AH1. This is AH2. Now just now we created that is AH2. Okay, see. Dismiss. What we'll do. No, it is coming. Okay, I need to take out this one. Okay, we'll see. Okay, see here, this is my issue, unable to complete registration process. Why, how you are unable to complete? By, see, these are the steps. I have added these steps. So this is the way I added the steps, and the screenshot is attached. So what is the proof? This you are unable to registration process. The button click is not happening. So this is the proof I have attached. So you can say that. So this is the issue, and you assign. See, who is reporter? I am the reporter. Who assigned to mobile testing phone? This is the developer assigned to him. What is the label? QA issue, right? Now the status is to do. You got it right. Now the status is to do. Once the status is to do, right? Now developers, what they will do when they are start, they will, what they will do, no, to do, no, he assigned. Now what the developer will do in the to do state only, he will go and he will check these steps. Okay, these steps, each and every step he will go application, he will try to execute these steps. Even when he click here, so he is not able to navigate to registration page, no, then he will think that this is an valid issue is reproducible. He is also able to reproduce the issue. In that case, what he will do, he will go here, he will do status in progress. What is the meaning of in progress? Means he, once it's set in the Jira, in progress means the developer accepted the issue and he starts working on that issue, right? If the status is in progress, the developer accepted this issue and he will start working on that issue. You got it right. So once the developer fixes, completes the issue, no, what he will do, he will come here, He will add one comment here. Yeah. Developer with the developer name on behalf of developer. On behalf of developer. Who is here developer? Hmm, Mobile testing 499. He is comments. Comments. Okay. Okay. He will say that issue is fixed. Fixed. And deployed to QA build. Okay. You can test it. He will say you can test it. Okay, you can test it. He will save it. After saving this comment, what the developer will do means mobile testing 499, he is a developer. He will assign back this to, he will change this to done. And he will again assign to our learnings, means tester. He is a QA, right? Again, he will assign back to QA. So automatically what will happen no, in the real time? Automatically, whenever the username changes or something updates, no, automatically email triggers. Automatically, the email will come and sit in our inbox. So immediately we'll go and check. Oh, we got the new build. There is a fix, right? Then what? How this? He starts testing. He will start testing. Hmm? Means if he starts testing same, no. Now what he'll do? He will start testing here. He will launch the application. He will try to click on registration button. You got it right. Now it navigated to registration screen. Okay, now he will take the screenshot. Okay, he will take the screenshot. So date and time is mandatory. He will go to here. What you comment on? Tester issue is fixed. Issue is fixed. Okay. In QA build, verified and working as expected. I will say a reference. So issue is working now. What is the proof? A reference screenshot is added below or in the attachment. Attachment. Okay. So now go to paint or some any tool. So you go here, you paste this one. See, we are navigated to the log registration screen. Control S. Now see, registration page icon 22 July 2022. Okay, save it. Okay, now save this one. So issue is fixed. Okay, see, issue is fixed. First, developer commented issue is fixed, and also issue is fixed into a build verified and working as I have commented, and I need to attach the proof, right? Button click registration. See, that is only added. Now this is done. Means normally we will close this issue. Here it is done only is there. How can we close this issue? We can close this issue. So this is the limited feature version, right? Mm. This there we can close this issue. See who and all watching you will come to know. See now I am watching no. Even others are watching. We can see add watchers. We can see all watchers here because I told you no. Everyone they can see the loop Jira. So this is the way. So you are safe when you create an issue, and everyone will get appreciated for each and the issue when you are tracking. Okay, good, right? Understood, right? How to create an issue in Jira. Thank you.